Today, it all begins. I'm seeing my life for the very first time through a different lens. Yesterday, I didn't understand.
Bienvenue tout le monde sur Channel Pilote 709. Jeudi à la nous gagnons The Whole Clan. Tout le monde est la net. Nous gagnons qui est?
Science! Hensley!
Alright.
Mariah.
Oh, Raya. Ok, nous gagnons tout clan dans la The Whole Deriso Clan. Nous allons aller, qui est-ce que nous allons aller? Nous allons côté que les Rough River. Rough River State Park, c'est dans Kentucky que lié. Et là, il y a un bon amusement pour tout le monde. Et c'est un parc que lié. Donc, pour nous, it's gonna be my first time. Et c'est la première fois que je pourrais aller même. Donc, it's gonna be fun for all of us. En plus, monde parle de côté ça, comme moi dis non. J'aime visiter, j'aime aventure. Donc, that's why I am going there to kind of spend some time with the kids. Jeudi à c'est dimanche. Il y a la bleue, tant que digo, comme on dit. Et pas de vent. I mean, it's just a good temperature all around. So, we're gonna go and have some fun and see you up in the sky. Outlaw traffic, Mooney 177 Foxtrot Delta. Line 1 for runway 17, be a east departure, outlaw traffic, and have crosswind traffic inside.
Outlaw traffic, Malibu 912 and X-rays, departing runway 17. We got the traffic in the pattern.
And Outlaw Archer 56 Charlie is on the midfield, left downwind, 17, we'll get you up. Coming over the threshold now will be number 2 lane.
And Outlaw traffic, Malibu 912 and X-ray is rolling runway 17. We'll be departing the pattern to the north. Outlaw.
Outlaw traffic, 56 Charlie, turn left stage, runway 17, Outlaw traffic, we have that park traffic in sight.
Everybody okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah.
Outlaw traffic, Cirrus 28 Julie Gulf, departing the ramp, taking to runway 17. Outlaw.
We're right over Waspview.
Make his face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn his face toward you and give you peace.
Over midfield at 3,500, transitioning to the northeast, Wayne County.
Rough River traffic, Mooney 7 Fox Delta on left final for runway 02, Rough River. Alright, I have flaps down, gear down. Runway is good. No traffic in sight. We are good. Put more flap.
Elizabeth Town traffic is
Recording it.
for Fox, which is about 3 miles to the southeast, transitioning to the northeast at 6,500 feet. Eastbound traffic.
Is
Go down.
touchdown.
I've been stacking up the years I spent trading punches with the enemy. Ooh, built myself a double thick stone tower, lies higher than the eye can see. Trapped in my flesh and bone, crying out to you, love. I'm desperate. Love, come rattle this cage and set me free. All of my fears like Jericho walls gotta come down, come down. All of my fears like Jericho walls gotta come down, come down. Oh, my prison turns to ruin when your love moves it. All of my fears like Jericho walls gotta come down, come down, come down. Ooh, truth was crashing through the pride and the blame, cutting straight to the heart of me. Ooh, long before I ever called your name, you were fighting for my victory. Carved in your flesh and bone, the wounds that have set my soul's forgive.
Mwen ak ti moun yo nou fèk ateri Wolf River Airport. Ki pa telman lwen, no? And this is the princess. Say hi, Nini. There you go. Kenzie, this guy is always exploring. Well, gon lake boy sit là. Nou bo ale nan lake là. And we have the other boy, Clarence, ki al nan toilette. Donc, maman yo bon permission pour me sortir ensemble avec yo. So, we gonna have fun.
The sparrow's not worried about tomorrow or the troubles to come. The lily's not thinking about the seasons, the drought or the flood. The tree that's planted by the water isn't fazed by the fire.
Hey guys.
So why should I be? 'Cause you take good care of me. You take good care of me. You know what I need before I even ask a thing. And you hold me in your hands with a kindness that never ends. I'm carried in your love no matter what the future brings. Yeah, you take good care of me. The sun's not worried about the winter, 'cause soon it will pass. The light's not thinking about the darkness or the shadow it casts. A heart that's planted in forgiveness doesn't dwell in the past. So why
And
should
they have a playground for the kids at Wolf River Park.
you take good care of me? You know what I need before I even ask a thing. And you hold me in your hands with a kindness that never ends. I'm carried in your love no matter what the future brings. Yeah, you take good care of me. to be more, but I can't get past your goodness. I know there must be more.
And they even have a beach area. That's so nice, man.
You take good care of me. You take good care.
Hey, Daddy, I think that's a dance.
Oh, look at the brothers. And then look at the brothers. 7 Fox Delta. Abrite nous. Et nous praler. Naptounen. Hi, Nini. Hi, Nini. Hello. Yep. So pour petit divertissement ti moun yo. Et kounya la, we're gonna get back in the air to go back home. Let me show you guys something here. This right here, representing Haiti.
I'm gonna run. No, I'm gonna fly. I'm gonna know what it means to live and not just be alive. The world's gonna hear, 'cause I'm gonna shout. And I will be dancing when circumstances drown the music out. Say I won't. Not enough is what I've been told. But it must be a lie, 'cause the spirit inside says I'm so much more. So let them say what they want. Oh, I dare them to try. I'm gonna run. No, I'm gonna fly. I'm gonna know what it means to live and not just be alive. The world's gonna hear, 'cause I'm gonna shout. And I will be dancing when circumstances drown the music out. Say I won't. Say I won't. Say I won't. Say I won't.
Safely to Clarksville. You guys had fun?
Yeah.
Nice, nice. And this little one right here was sleeping the whole time. Look at her. She's tired. Well, guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned pour l'autre vidéo. Chaque dimanche. La fois, quand même. Chaque dimanche, on met une vidéo. God bless. Be safe.